Welcome everyone! In 2021, we are determined to improve our original free module, Suppliers, with new features that increase the efficiency of quality systems. Let's select the Suppliers module to see two new menus that will help FreeQMS users better track supplier offerings and compliance. We have a fictional supplier setup, next level CNC. This is a level 3 supplier in our system awaiting approval. Let's select this supplier. Here's the information tab for this demo supplier. New for 2021 is the Supplier Scope section. This section is designed to allow companies to better manage supplier risk and also track multiple products and services, along with regulations and standards. We don't want to give too much away, but these menus will be prominently featured in the soon-to-be-released supplier activities. In case you missed our quick feature video on supplier risk fields, it can be found linked in this video. In this video, we're going to focus on two new menus, Products or Services, and Regulations Standards. It is an ISO 13485:2016 requirement that all suppliers be identifiable by their product or services, but this goes without saying. Anyone who's tracking and qualifying suppliers, even if they deal with them in a financial sense through an ERP, needs to know what the supplier offers. The 2020 iteration of FreeQMS features a single product or service field that used to be right about here. For 2021, we've introduced the new Products or Services menu for our customers. This is a seamless transition for customers. Any data previously entered in the product or service field will not appear as the top entry in the new menu. You also don't need to worry about the supplier navigation menu. Let's click Suppliers at the top of the screen. On the far right is still the product or service column, where the top entry in the Products or Services menu will appear, allowing for easy selection of relevant suppliers. Let's click our supplier, next level CNC again. Let's click Add Product or Service to use the new menu. The menu works just like the pop-out in the Audits module or Audit Items. Up to 5 things may be added at once. We'll enter a few examples. Keep in mind that these can be detailed or summaries of product offered. The Parts tab can always be used for added detail. We'll put CNC Finishing Services, number 10 stainless screws, 8mm hex nuts for prototypes. And now let's click Save. Great, we're now tracking 3 products or services with this supplier. Let's click Regulation Standards to add some regulations applicable to this supplier. Once again, 5 can be added at once. Now, a great thing about FreeQMS is openness to interpretation. These fields could be used to specify standards your company needs the supplier to meet, or ones they state they meet. In practice, these will often be the same, or the company would not use the supplier. This is a fairly low-risk supplier only providing prototype parts. That is an ISO 9001:2015 certified machine shop. We're going to put ISO 9001:2015 and click Save. Note, we can always visit the Files tab to upload a certificate for the supplier and set an expiration date. Now we have a set of products and a regulation for the supplier. These will be very useful in the upcoming supplier activities. Happy quality management, everyone, and thanks for watching.